Don't do it that way.
Get out of incest! Hey everybody, welcome back to Two Crazy Gamers. I'm Pop.
We're recording right now. Hi, guys.
So today's gonna be a weird episode.
It's very weird, yeah.
So, I was editing the footage back from Super Mario 64, the series.
As you do.
And what happened was, we lost episode 17, first and foremost. So, sorry guys.
Sorry guys, you're not in that episode.
Yeah. And then, for some reason, episode 18, 19, 21, and 20. Sorry, we lost the old version of 18. I renamed the files. Let me correct myself. We lost file 18.
Yep.
Which means that files 19, 20, and 21 all have... And all the audio qualities for those 3 episodes are really weird. Like, they have this low hum to them.
Yes. As you will hear very shortly.
So what we're going to do, Fizzy and I, right?
Yes.
We're going to do a commentary dub over the...
original.
The episode, yes.
So that you guys don't have to listen to the hum persistently throughout the entire episode.
Yes. And if there's
it is distracting.
Yeah. And if there's a funny bit from the original episode here and there, I'll splice it in, you know. You can get the best of both worlds. Listen to the hum for like 20 seconds and then come back to good audio quality and shit.
Yes. Most of it will probably be our commentary.
Yes.
Just because it is
The hum is bad. The hum is very bad.
It was funny because Pop told me about it and was like, I'm having this trouble with audio. Can you come down and listen to it? And I honestly thought it was something where it would just be like a little slight ring or buzz in the background. I'm like, we'd be fine to upload that. I mean, it's not good, but whatever. And then he played it for like 3 seconds. I'm like, oh my god, I'd blow my brains out of my...
It's bad, yeah.
Yeah.
And I've tried every like EQ trick, every denoiser trick, everything I could. The only solution to make the hum more listenable is to make the audio of the entire episode quieter.
Yep.
So you can't hear the hum.
But you also can barely hear us talk.
Yeah, you can't hear us talking either. So yeah, let's just get into this, you know?
Yeah, from the top.
So we're at 74 stars.
How are we going to know where the good bits are? Because it's so loud that it'll actually come through on our commentary mic right now.
Well, it's fine. I'm sure that in our commentary track there'll be some unfunny bits we can just like cut around.
Maybe, and then when we splice in the good bits, that's when we'll kind of do that. It's funny though, for all the lore fanatics.
Yeah.
I'm about to shatter your world.
Break the canon.
I'm breaking the canon as we've done before.
Yeah, we break the canon.
These were Damn.
I don't know what happened.
We're killing it right now.
And to roll that back, let me see what the original audio said.
Yeah, play the original audio for that. Dude, come the fuck on.
I don't know what happened.
Wah! Wah!
Like the wind comes in for like 3 minutes.
No, I have a ton.
We don't need to stop talking. They're
gonna just play it.
Not as sneaking out, man.
Anyways, we like to pause here. Breaking the lore for a minute here. It's kind of crazy how much. Whoa, we just got a lot of data bin there.
There's a lot of data moshing. It's fine. I'll just play the original video over.
Yes. Anyways, when we recorded these though, we recorded these a long time ago. How many years has it been since we recorded this?
Oh, from like a lore perspective, that was 2 months ago. We recorded this last week.
Yes,
from a lore perspective.
From the no lore perspective.
No lore perspective. This was
on the backpacking trip. I went for the church because it was like a
2020.
Okay, I'm not gonna say tried because the church is comprised of many members. I was hearing a lot more like press charges than not press charges for the church because it was like a
2020.
Yeah, it was.
I think
like
it might have been 5.
When you're in a
4 or
when you're
5.
in a church,
Did we record this? 2025?
No. Like, I think we recorded this in 2022.
5 years. Yes.
2022 or 2021.
That's crazy. Yeah. We recorded these like forever ago. I mean, we were still in.
Basically, we were going back.
Yeah, it was crazy. We were very young when we recorded this.
Yes, we were very young.
We were younger.
We guys, if you didn't know this, Two Crazy Gamers has been in the work for. It's been in the works for a while.
Yeah. It's kind of crazy that it happened, you know?
Yes, because there was such a big space. You can actually see the break in the texture right there.
Yeah, you can.
You can, but anyways, it's kind of a miracle it even happened because some of these are old, man.
Yeah. Well, we deleted a lot of old footage. You can even, if you look at some of these episodes in the edits, we'll reference an episode like, Digimon! And then I'll put up the thumbnail of the Digimon Cyber Sleuth series, because we recorded 2 episodes.
Yeah.
And our thumbnail maker at the time made
So we
thumbnails
get
for these
another
2
friend on the
episodes.
idea.
Yes.
This really
Not making
chill dude.
thumbnails anymore for us.
Can't say his name either,
yeah.
I'm pretty sure you know him.
But
He's, like, very-
I think we should discuss why in the series. I think we actually even talk about it in depth in
so
this
he
series.
gets
In,
Yeah.
in 64?
Yeah.
Maybe?
And
I
we
think so.
asked
Like everything-
the leader, we're like,
Yeah.
hey, mind
The
if
former,
we're,
yeah.
Yeah, I think so. But yeah, he made thumbnails for them, and so I'll put them up on screen and be like, Lost Media? We still have the footage for those episodes.
We do, yes.
We're just not uploading them because they're bad.
They're bad. They're very bad, and we didn't finish them. Like, we didn't do
We
it.
didn't finish the Cyber Sleuth series.
Which we also did originally with Corpse Party.
Yes!
But then we had
We were-
we have one really lovely fan
Yeah.
guy who watches our stuff.
down the mountain, just
Yeah, we
And-
wouldn't have finished Corpse Party if it weren't for
Oh
the
yeah,
comment.
absolutely not. We would have definitely put it on pause.
Yeah,
but
we
then
got a
they're-
comment.
They were like, "I love the series. Keep it going." And
Yeah.
we're like, "Okay, well, we can do that."
well, I recorded, like, I think I uploaded 2 64 episodes in a row after
Yes.
Corpse Party.
Yes.
And they commented, like, love the 2 more 64.
I was pretty young at the time. With
You guys stopped at Corpse Party, like, the moment it started getting good, though. And it's like, okay.
Damn it! Yeah, and then anyways, we went back and played through it.
Yeah.
I'm glad we did.
We
I've
did.
really
No.
been enjoying this.
Those are some fun episodes, yeah.
So you'll notice there's a pretty substantial jump in quality, especially because of how we're uploading these currently.
Yes.
Because of how we're uploading these currently, you're right, you're getting a Mario 64 episode, which was 5 years old.
Yeah.
And then you're getting an episode that we recorded maybe a week or 2 before we posted
Yes,
it.
yeah. The Corpse Party episodes have been coming out a bit late, some of them.
I mean, obviously, you can tell that some of our stuff is dated because in Mario 64 we talk about the Chris Rock slap.
we do, yeah! Which is awesome. Chris
Yeah,
Rock.
that. Well, and what's funny is that went right through the thing again.
This game's bad, man.
Yeah.
per
This
episode.
game clips so many times.
What do you mean clips?
like the
Oh, the camera
clips
yeah,
through
okay.
the walls like all the time.
Did you say Mario
Sorry.
64?
It's a great game. I love this game to death. And for the time, it's brilliant, right?
Yes.
The
Lose your train of thought or something?
what I am trying to say is just that, yeah, like in the camera's bad. Like
Yeah.
the camera's frustrating to control. Mario's
Well,
frustrating to
They
control.
were definitely trying to figure things out at this
Yes.
point, you know.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm not gonna shit too hard on this game or Nintendo for making a game the best they could.
the best
when
they could
had
was what they had.
technology.
Well, it's
Yeah.
crazy. You play this and then you play like Odyssey. It's like night and day, right?
I know, right?
Odyssey's really good.
Odyssey's phenomenal. Yeah,
Odyssey's a good game.
fun to control. The camera. I think Odyssey may have the best 3D platformer camera of all time.
I think I agree. Yeah, I think I agree with you. It's very dynamic and
Yeah.
it's not. It's super intuitive when you're playing as well.
Oh,
It's
definitely.
not hard to like get around.
Yeah.
What
The fuck?
The fuck? I forgot
I didn't
about
know that was in this
What?
bag.
Take me back.
No, read the sign.
What?
What the fuck?
Take me back.
No, read the sign.
Oh wait, because you're trying to not. Do
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't know about this either.
that. We might play this clip out. I don't know.
Yeah, play this clip out. Don't come back to this commentary track. Editor, or I'll kill you.
Or I'll kill you. We'll come back at some point because we do need to do that. But
Oh, sorry.
Don't
yeah,
come back now,
I don't
though, or I'll kill you.
It was nice to get that lesson.
They're very
think about
good
it.
people.
Maybe left your audio. We do the commentary track. Right, your audio. We do
that's
that.
awful.
So you have
That's
to like take off your right earbud to listen.
That's horrible. That's horrible.
This is a
you ever
great
done that
I
though?
wish there was like more of a point to
I
this
told
story
you
or
about
like a
this.
joke I
Yeah.
could end on.
But it was just a good time.
No, yeah, it was
Yes.
just a fun time.
Then
And
tell the knife story.
okay, well,
That'll be a
Yeah,
more interesting
Extremely
one.
frustrating.
No, this one's
Yeah.
crazy.
I write music, but
Yeah, I got a knife. Like
Get
the
into
whole
the
story.
next
No, what happened basically was
that was almost.
everybody told us that there would be hot
Yeah,
chocolate.
it didn't happen.
This is back when I was in a trio.
Anyways, going back
of
to what we were
friends.
talking about
You and I
earlier,
didn't really, we met like in
I'm glad we got back
but
into
we
the
didn't
Corpse Party.
really-
And
Yeah, Corpse Party is
did all
so
that.
Just know each other.
It's
Yeah,
been
yeah.
very fun to record. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we had that.
This was like
that
in my
stint there
trio
where
of
you were feeling kinda
friends.
sick.
Yeah.
And then I actually felt
I
sick
actually know the trio,
during the
yeah.
recording of it. I think you. I don't know if you got me sick or
I
whatever.
was with the French
But,
trio and we did not
Yeah,
like camping.
it's just kind of
And I
interesting
actually-
watching some of these old episodes back because
And we hated
when we
it.
first did
And one of the only
Mario
reasons we went was
64,
because we heard
we were like,
that there would be
"This is
hot
it, bro.
chocolate.
We're
This
cooked.
is
We
the
cooked.
series.
This is
Yeah.
the series."
People were
This is the
like,
Which is
main-
hilarious because now it feels like our shitty ones now are on pretty
Here, wait.
Yeah.
like on pretty even footing with these.
Yeah.
Which feels good.
Modern day us at our bad is comparable to us at our best years ago.
years ago, yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Um,
There are a lot of, and obviously like whenever we upload an episode, I'll watch them.
yeah.
Because I like to see what I was doing.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is just hard to watch, man. I'm not gonna lie to you.
With this trio,
Well, and it's hard.
we were told there's
I don't know.
chocolate.
It's I feel like I have a different relationship to it, right? Because you're coming at it as a viewer.
Yeah.
I'm coming at it as an editor. You know.
Chocolate.
So sometimes I'll even make the harder to watch episodes, slim them down to the better bits
The
of
better
it.
bits
Yeah.
of it, yes.
Because there'll be some episodes where it's like,
Oh, we forgot about that. We're sorry. Let me
hard
go
to
grab
watch.
that.
Yeah, well, and a lot of it's hard for me to watch because there's just a bunch of shit that I say where it's like, what am I doing, bro?
Yeah.
There's a lot of episodes where I'm a giant dick to you, and I'm like,
It is awesome.
bro, Fizzy, what are you doing? Like,
They're like, oh, we forgot about that. We're sorry. Let me go grab that hot chocolate powder mix for you. Cause yeah, it was powder mix.
Of course, yeah. By the way, people that talk shit on the powder mix, it's fucking awesome.
No,
What are you talking
it's
about?
awesome. Yeah, it is awesome. But
Carry on.
Hey, but we stuck it through.
yeah, we stuck it through. I'd like to believe that I'm not a giant,
No, you're a
not the
sweetheart,
same
dude.
asshole I was back
Yeah,
then.
you're a sweetheart, dude.
I was-
We razz each other. We're still
Yes,
like
yes.
dicks sometimes, but that like I don't know.
There's a different. It's different.
Yeah.
It's how we just even how we talk.
There did feel kind of like there was a mean-spirited energy sometimes in
Yes.
these older episodes.
Yes.
I don't really get that anymore.
And
from
yeah,
it,
I
you
don't.
know?
I don't. And which is funny because we've had some meltdowns in some other of our
Yeah.
other recordings that you guys haven't seen yet. But well, I mean, we had that one episode where we had to cut the episode. We should tell.
Yes.
Do you want to tell a story of that?
Yes.
We had an episode.
We had to cut it all out.
We had to cut like the entire thing out because we were talking about manga art styles.
Yes.
And you can go back and find us like starting this conversation.
Oh, that
Wow, that was
sucks.
unfortunate.
don't. I was so ready for that joke today.
Sorry. Just I didn't even say anything. It's
Asshole. You.
Sorry.
Yes.
Where was I?
We start the conversation.
Yes. We started this conversation talking about art styles of manga that we were reading at the time, and I was reading Ayashimon, which is crazy because that's I'm pretty sure it's Yuji Kaku who also
Yeah.
did Hell's Paradise.
Well, I was
which
also
I love
reading-
way
yeah.
more now. I've really enjoyed reading Hell's Paradise.
Nice. Yeah.
And the anime's been freaking fantastic.
Nice. Yeah.
But yeah, we got in this argument though about wow, we really just can't do that joke. We got in this argument about whether or not Demon Slayer. We cannot get it.
This shit's tricky, man.
Here, wait. Oh my god. Editor, play the original clip.
Play the clip.
And so we ask everybody first. We're like, hey, have you seen the hot chocolate mix? Do you know what's going on with it? And so, fucking hell.
Dude.
So we
you're not.
Stop hitting me! So, we ask everybody around, and we're like, hey, have you seen it? And
We
they're
don't have to
like,
be quiet for this, but
we haven't seen it. So we're like, okay, cool. And
Hell yeah.
hell yeah.
Celebration time.
Well, I wonder what we're talking about.
Yeah. Me too.
Anyways,
I'll know later.
yes. Where I was going with that though is we had that conversation.
Yes.
About art styles. We got into an argument about whether or not Demon Slayer's art style or Ayashimaru's art style is better.
Yeah.
And then we both just started calling both of them shit.
Yeah.
Nuclear.
Yes.
Because they're both not bad.
They're both awesome. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Ayashimon has this like sketchy charm to it. It's like it looks sketchy, but it's fucking amazing. It's
Yes,
wonderful.
yes, exactly.
And Demon Slayer will have some like beautiful panels, and then some of the not beautiful panels.
some stinker
There's
ones.
some stinkers in there.
But
Yeah, both are good in their own right. It's all subjective,
But-
right?
in that recording, we got so fucking heated.
Yeah.
When we don't fight often.
We don't.
You and I really
Yeah.
don't argue. I think even in those older episodes, right? They'll see how we kind of act to each other and be like, these guys must just fucking hate each other. We definitely didn't.
Yeah.
Like we did not fight very often.
Yeah.
But that episode, we got into a huge spat, and
Yeah.
how much of it did we have to take out?
14 minutes.
Yeah, it was 14 minutes of arguing.
Fucking damn it.
Yeah, so
Dude.
long jump would definitely be too much.
You're right. I just hate to waste people's time, you know?
Well, no, the thing is, if you long jump, I'm thinking you're gonna hit that and then go down.
You're probably right.
Oh,
Yeah, so a long jump will definitely be too much.
Yeah.
pop lock in.
Lucky. What's worse though about that is that
Yeah. Okay, sorry, we're.
okay, this is gonna break the lore, right? This is gonna break the lore.
We've
for
been
you
breaking the law this
fanatics.
entire one.
We weren't living together at the time,
Yes, we were not. We were
right?
not.
Like Fizzy breaks into the apartment, right? We've been canonically living with each other the entire
Yes.
time.
And we do live with each other.
We do live with each other, yes. At the time, we
But
did
at the
not
time
live
we
with
did
each
not.
other.
We had the plan to live with each other.
Yes. So we had a sleepover that night to record.
Should we just tell them that we were doing this stuff in like high school?
Yeah, we were doing this in high school.
We were doing this in high
you're
school,
watching-
and if you go way back, some of them are actually even from middle school.
Yeah, middle school recordings. Yeah.
When was episode was middle school?
Yes.
Yeah, we recorded the. Wait.
Oh fuck! Cut that out! Cut that out now! Get it out now! Yeah, Portal episode.
Yeah, the Portal episode.
The Portal series is in middle school.
Anyways, the Portal series was done in middle school.
Yeah.
And we had a couple other series that we probably could have done. I think Digimon had a lot of it. Wasn't no.
I think that was.
That was high school.
Yeah.
Was that sophomore.
Yeah, that was
Yes.
sophomore. Puyo Puyo is
Yes, we had
middle
some
school.
middle
yeah.
school stuff for Puyo Puyo.
That's middle school though.
Dude, you are like gonna die.
Yeah, I am gonna die here.
I'm like, hey, come on. We know you took the hot chocolate. What's going on? Can you just give it? That's all we are asking for. We'll leave you alone if you just give it. Stop! you buggers. You know!
So we had a sleepover that night after that lover's spat is what I'll call it, right?
Yes, we had a big argument.
We had a big argument that morning.
Camera.
I don't.
Do we argue in the morning too?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We.
Because we didn't have to leave the room. We didn't have to leave the room for that argument. Like, we recorded it, we argued, we unpaused the game, and we just kind of, like, left
Let
the
it be.
argument. Yeah. But the next morning, you and I got into another argument.
Is it about the same thing?
No, I don't remember what it was about, to be honest.
I also can't remember.
But
But it was also gigantic.
It was a really bad argument, and we had to go into separate rooms.
Yeah, we were like,
and
I just need to not be next to you for a minute.
I need to separate, bro. And you know how we made up that fight? You know how we made up that
I
fight?
remember exactly.
Yeah, you remember that?
Or almost exactly.
Okay,
I
yeah.
came back in. I started saying a bit.
I will admit, this is a very asshole.
Close. It was a bit.
It was like
I was cleaning my room, and I was. It was at my house. We had to sleep over at my
Yes,
house.
yes.
I was cleaning my room, and I was cleaning my room, and I turned on music because I cleaned the music. You know, as most people do. And I was listening to that
and
one
I sung-
CPR.
I say yes. In the misery one.
Yeah, the misery CPR one.
And then I said like I started singing to it.
Yeah.
Apollo, yeah.
He started singing to it, and he was just like, "Hey, Pop, I'm so sorry." Yeah,
Yeah.
and that shit. I was still mad when you walked in.
Yeah, we were both still. Well, I was coming down from it. I was coming down
I
from
was
it.
still mad, and then you said that, and it's just like,
I mean, they get pulled
can't be
away.
mad, just fucking guy. Fucking. Oh,
Well,
I love this guy.
the whole time it's like I got in an argument. Like I think I just realized I was like, what did we argue about? This was so stupid.
Yeah, most arguments are stupid in hindsight.
Every big argument that we've had have there's only been like one argument I think we've ever had that was like not over
Yeah.
like a stupid petty
Something
thing,
really
and it wasn't even
stupid,
really an
yeah.
argument. It was just a discussion.
Yeah, it
'Cause by
turned-
that point we just learned how to talk to each other.
Yes, yeah.
But
Because we matured and
yes, we
grew
matured.
up.
But
yeah.
but all of our fights were over like stupid shit. There's that one
Yeah.
time that I pulled your hair.
Oh,
my God.
yeah.
That's another good story to share.
Dude, yeah.
By the way, we will absolutely forget that we've.
We walk back to the main.
I think having a knife pulled out is always too much.
Okay. Yes, they try to start like pulling us away, and my friends, I mean, they get pulled away easy. I grab onto a tree, like I fucking just latch onto a tree, and this kid's pulling as hard as he can. And it's like, give me the hot chocolate, and he's like, we don't have it. And I'm like, look, can you just show me that you don't have the hot chocolate? Can you give me some form of proof? And he like pulls out a pocket knife. He flashes it in my face. He's like, here, is this all the proof you need? And I just looked at him. I was like, I am not afraid of you. Then he drops me onto the ground. It's like, can you just show us you don't have the hot chocolate? Look, man, we don't have the hot chocolate, okay? I don't know what to show you. We have private stuff in that tent. And I was just like, okay, that's all you need to say. Thank you. And then I walked down the mountain by myself, go meet up with my friends. I'm like, did they hurt you? Are you okay? They're like, yeah, it's just, forget about the hot chocolate. We walked back to the main tent with the people.
And then they had the hot chocolate.
We found the hot
No
chocolate.
shot,
It was in the
really?
back.
Yeah. Knife pulled. Are you afraid? I'm not afraid of you. Like scariest moment of my childhood
Okay.
life.
No, we just keep in mind we will absolutely forget the story and tell it at another point. I know it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I still think the
But we got into this argument one time, and we were in.
Way too much.
It must have been
Knife on anyone is never.
maybe I'm
10th
telling
grade?
it wrong because
Probably.
if
Was it 10th grade? I thought we were in middle school.
It was
pretty
yes,
sure
it was
it
9th or
wasn't
10th
the
grade.
wrong
It
Yeah.
was one of the two.
It was, yeah, it was around
one
there.
of those guys
Um,
like, "Whoa."
we were at my house.
Yeah.
But no,
And at this time, I had a
a
step parent that I freaking really
I
didn't
told
like.
everybody the whole story, and they were like,
And you were talking about something that was happening on screen. My
Yes.
one of my younger, I guess former step siblings was watching something.
Mother.
And
hey,
Let me show you how a real guy plays.
sorry, I heard the audio. Motherfucker!
yes.
This star's hard.
Yeah, it's not an easy one. I mean, clearly, we've been on it for a while. But yeah, we were.
It was Troll Hunters. You know the show Troll Hunters, guys?
No, I don't even remember it.
Troll Hunters on Netflix. Okay.
Yeah.
His step sibling was watching it.
Yes, and you were saying something about the show.
I asked one of the. I have you know like when you have something traumatic happen and it's like you remember it so clearly.
Yes.
That's a joke, by the way. This wasn't.
This was not traumatic.
Yes. I do remember this part really
Good dodge.
clearly
That was
though,
crazy.
the whole time.
because
Are you being serious?
this step sibling was on the chubbier side.
Yes.
And they were somewhat insecure about that. And I don't know why they were. They weren't even that like chubby, to be
Yes.
honest.
Yes.
But there was a character
But
in
they were
Troll
pretty young,
Hunters.
too. They
Yeah,
weren't
that's
very
true.
old.
There was a character in Troll Hunters who was like bigger, and I was just. They made a joke about it. I was like, hey, why you fat? That's like what I said, something around that, you know.
Yes, something along
And he
those
was
lines.
on the phone with this step parent.
No, she was downstairs.
She was. Okay, she was here.
She came
yes.
downstairs. Yes.
Yes.
And you said that with around her.
Yeah.
And I like panicked because she's the type of person who's to lose her shit if anybody says anything about her baby. We did it! Oh my gosh, that was clutch. She's the type of person that'll lose her shit if you talk about like her.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, like her baby or whatever.
Yeah.
So
Yes, I love him.
we are having a
We're
celebration.
we're having a ball, bro.
Yeah. That happens. Anyways, so that
Yeah,
happened.
so you panic.
And I panic for a minute, so I don't know what to do. So I grab your hair.
Yeah, you
I grab your
the front tuft
I
of
grab
my
the
hair.
very front tuft of your hair and just like
Yeah.
start pulling. Like, dude,
Yeah.
shut up, because I didn't want to say it's like
yeah,
I didn't know how to communicate it non-verbally. I was like, dude, shut up. I just
Yeah.
like panicked for a minute, and then you, I pulled you. You explain this part.
Okay, yeah. Well, you pull my hair, and I don't know if it's psychosomatic. I don't know if it's psychosomatic or anything. I mean, it probably is.
Probably, yeah.
It definitely is. Like, there's no way it still hurts. Here's my truth, okay? I do have a bad experience with my hair getting pulled, and ever since then, this front tuft of my hair,
Yeah, it was the exact tuft that I
it's
pulled,
the
basically.
exact same
It
front
was literally
tuft.
like right at the widow's peak.
Yes, right there.
I remember the.
Ever since, if that's ever pulled, even to this day, like even like slightly, it's like, oh, that kind of hurt, you know?
Yeah.
So if you tug at it even harder, it's like, oh, that really hurts. So it really hurt. And I was in shell shock for a second, right?
Yeah.
Shell shock's the wrong word. That's for
Because I'm not the type to be physical.
Yeah, no. I was super shocked though.
That's what your whole story
And I just kind of like looked at you for a second, and I was like,
I'm not the best.
okay, and then I just smacked you.
Yeah, you real back and
Yeah,
smacked me
I smacked you across the face, and then I see you look back at me, and you look really angry.
I was, yeah, well, because like for 1 second I was so pissed. I was like,
And then we were eating chili at the time, or maybe it was cereal. We were eating something in a bowl.
Yes.
Because we both just like we looked at each other, both mad, and then we looked down at our food and kept eating.
we kept eating. Yeah, because we were quiet for a second.
Yeah.
And then after we went to the backyard and talked about it,
Yeah.
hey, I'm sorry I did that.
You know,
I'm sorry I smacked you.
Yeah. Well, yeah, and it was just like, yeah, I didn't.
I was worried that.
So my mom was sweet.
Well, don't
Yeah, blur that out.
blur that name out. I was worried that my step parent was gonna lose their shit at you.
Yeah, well, and it just like really hurt a lot, you know.
Yeah.
And that's just like what we explained to each other, and it was like, I'm sorry.
Well, we at the same, we were definitely getting more mature with our arguments at this point
Yeah.
because when that happened, we were both just like, oh,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
It's pretty cool.
It was a good slap too. It was not a weak one. It was,
Okay.
it was like a.
That's good to know. I got a good.
Oh, I hit my nose.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dude, I just did the.
That's a good point, actually. I just don't want to risk it, you know?
yeah.
I'm so freaked out of dying in this playthrough.
We got it.
You know when you like break your nose? Sorry, not when you break your nose. But you know when you. Oh.
We're not making this shot.
Yeah, that's about a whiff. We're going right.
I'm betting $5 we do make it.
It's gotta be the top of the cloud, right? That's my guess.
I think.
That's my guess.
Hey, turn up the audio.
So we get a bid.
Right there. We got it. We got it. This will be it.
This will be it, guys.
Mamma mia!
And now we're at 0 lives again. Do we have to do a montage in this episode?
I whacked my nose, but you know when you like get hit in the nose and you get that smell?
This will be it, guys.
Oh yeah.
I just had that from there.
Dude, you ever get like a cut in your nose, like a scab for some reason?
Oh, they suck, dude.
Yeah. I haven't been able to laugh at any of my boss's jokes.
Yeah, storytelling.
Why?
Anytime, like I can now, but when the cut was still fresh, I don't even know how I got it.
Okay.
When it was still fresh, anytime I smiled, it deformed like my nose in a way that just
So
like
it'd break the scab. and
yeah, and it would just hurt. And my boss, he's a funny guy. He likes making jokes a lot, so he'd make a joke and then.
Are you breaking the lore? You have a job outside of this?
Didn't we talk about this in course
We
party?
definitely did. We definitely
I think we talked about this in course
We
party.
both have jobs outside
Yeah.
of this.
No, Pop moved to LA/New York/Philadelphia. That's right. It has to be Philadelphia because Pop went to New York in the last episode. Sorry, the one that was uploaded before this. So episode 16.
Yes.
Pop went to New York in episode 16. Said it was the first time. Which, by the way, that doesn't break the lore. We've been breaking the lore the whole episode. This part's in lore. This conversation we're having, just right now, is in lore. Okay.
Yes.
This last 10 seconds.
Yes.
We can just do one of our.
I'm sorry, I've been saying LA/New York, guys. Look, we just live in Philadelphia. Like, we're so close to New York.
Philadelphia.
We don't want to be those type of people.
Yeah, we just live. Yeah, we live close.
It's just like
Well, we're about to go over this one, I think.
probably. Well, it's just like everyone. You just say New York. Where are you from? New York. You know. You don't say I'm from Philadelphia.
Never mind.
Okay, that's way too much.
I think this might be
That's
actually how
a little too much. Go a little lower right there.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Mamma mia!
I remember this episode because of this.
Because of that part?
Yes.
I think the next episode's when I have to break away and shit.
What are you talking?
Okay, yeah, we broke the lore again.
What?
We broke. Sorry, that conversation was in lore. We're talking about Philadelphia. Now we're out of it again.
Yes.
Because yeah, we live in. Oh, that's the end of the episode.
Back to Two Crazy Gamers. I'm Pop.
I'm Fizzy.
Fucking hell.
Number 64.
Go get this
I'll just finish this last story. Yeah, because in the next episode, there's a part where I line
How
up
are we
the
gonna? How are we
shot.
gonna put this in? Just black screen.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. There's because there's a part at the end. There's a part in the next episode, I believe, where I line up the shot to go get it, and then I'm just like, I gotta go shit really bad. I gotta go now, and I just ran out.
Okay, I remember when that happened.
And yeah, I had like diarrheas, bro.
Well, we're thank you guys for
Yes, thank you all
thank
for
you guys for
watching.
listening to our commentary track. You got a lot of lore.
Yeah.
Well, I guess a lot of not lore.
A lot of shit that broke the
a
lore.
lot of lore breaking, but a lot of making the series make sense.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of shit that people are promoting.
a lot of decisions we had to make in retrospect, you know?
Yes, yes. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, thank you all for watching.
We will see you in the next 2 episodes of commentary tracks.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, bye.
Bye.